What if AI could build an entire modern restaurant and food ordering dashboard in just minutes? In this video, we are going to create a premium AI-generated frontend using Next.js 15, React TypeScript, Tailwind CSS, ShadCN UI, and Framer Motion. And we built this entire application using Claude code within just a moment. Like, you just simple come to your Claude code and I'll open this in the browser, and now I have a prompt that I already optimized it. And what I'll do here is like I just simple paste the prompt here and just simply send it. And don't worry about this prompt, I will give you this complete prompt in the description. You just simply get this prompt and just go to your Claude code and give it this. And now it's processing and we have to wait for it, and then I'll show you. It successfully complete our prompt, and here you can see it show me this is a massive project. I'll build the premium AI power restaurant dashboard as a single file vector artifact, and it made these 13 pages, and it have dashboard, menus, orders, and order tracking, and all the things within it. And we have a fully working front-end functionality of this: add to cart, favorite wish list, all charts powered by ChatJS, source notification, and all the things are automatically set up. And it automatically download this HTML file. So I just simply go to my downloads and show you the file that it sent. It make it. So I just simple open this site that it downloaded. And now here you can see this is showing me amazing UI of this, and it's responsive as well. That's the main thing. And here on this, it shows me the explore menu, track orders, and here we have a section of these tiles. So when I'll just simple add to cart, it show me this toast notification as it mentioned in the prompt that when it's completed. And also we have a master chefs, guest info, and all the things here. So that's it amazing. And now when I'll just simple go to explore menu, and here you can see it show me this amazing dashboard. And on this dashboard, we have all the things here, menus, we can add to cart, and also I can search here the dishes, and I just simple search here this, and it's also working instantly. And also we can search it out, we can filter it out with the categories as well, and we can view cart as well. And also I can go to the orders, we have orders here, and order tracking, we can see this as well. And we have a cart here, and we can place the order. And when I'll just simple track order, it show me this order here. And also when I'll just simple add the items and do some order, it show me all the things here in the notification section as well, and in the cart as well. So that's great, amazing. Now I have a cart empty, so I just simple browse and add to cart, and just here you can see in the sidebar menu, it show me here the cart count as well. So this is amazing, and it is a completely dynamic front end. And when I'll just simple add here another thing and go to cart, it increase the cart count and make the total amount here. So all the things are working, and when I'll increase the quantity, all the things updated accordingly. So also I have a restaurant panel where I have inventory, reviews, customer, and all the things here. We can edit them and delete them as well. So this is great, amazing. And also in the profile section, I just simply go to this and make it dark mode, and it is looking amazing in the dark mode. So this is something really cool that this I built. So it is just a front end, and also we have all the things here: wish list item, order history, overview, all the things. And also we have a AI recommendation, so we can chat with it as well. It is responsive as well. We can customize it and later on add in it many things in it. So also have a recipes sections, recipe and blogs, and educational things related to dishes and other things. And also I can read the articles, and here I have a contact info, find us, and all things here. And also when I'll just simply change it to light, it make it light. And this is something really cool that this AI built. So this is it. And now when I'll just simply go to home, it bring me here. And also I have a sign up page, sign up with Google and Apple as well. So this is amazing. And also I have a create account page and sign in page as well. So this is really cool that AI built. And I have here the search as well. That is general search for our this site and dashboard. So this is it, and that's it. We successfully built a modern AI-generated restaurant dashboard front end with premium UI, animations, food ordering features, analytics, checkout flow, and AI-powered section. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment on what AI project you want to see next. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.